Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to see how we can push our Angular project to existing repository. So the idea is just the same. I have created some other tutorials as well, which is doing a CI/CD, continuous integration and deployment on MVC app. So I will try to achieve the same thing with Angular app with this tutorial series. So in order to get started, we need to map our GitHub project to the Azure boards. So first step is to create a GitHub repository. So we'll just create a new repository. So you need to have a GitHub account, and after signing up all the things, you will see a similar dashboard. So from there, you can just create a new repository. So from that repository, you can choose like Angular. I will just use DevOps 1 for now, and this will be a private repository. You can choose public according to the subscription you have, or according to the availability you want to have it for your repositories. So this will be private, and I will create this repository by clicking on the create repository button. So this will be shown. So this will be our URL for the repository, and this is something you should remember, because by doing that you are able to push your Angular code to this repository. So let's just first create the Angular app. So in order to create an Angular app, we need to go to Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. So I'll just create a new Visual Studio. So we need to go to some folder. So I will just open this folder for now. And go to the terminal. And inside the terminal, I will just fire a command called ng-new, and with the name which we have defined in our repository. So that will going to be Angular DevOps 1. So VS Code, yes, and ng new one, and click enter. So it will do it will create a sample project for us, and we need to just use CSS with this, and it will just start fetching all the DLLs for the node package manager kind of things. It's still installing it. So after a couple of seconds, it just get loaded. So I will just do one thing. I will just choose folder again, and this time I will be using from VS Code Angular DevOps. So this will be our current working directory. So this is I will be looking at. So just a rule of thumb: whenever you create any project from the template, just try to run it as soon as you get it, so that you can know that whether it is in working state or not. So I will just fire a command called npm start and see. So it start compiling the project. So after couple of seconds, it just get compiled successfully, and if I go to this URL, it will show this file. So as you can see, it's titled 1. So it's now working, so we don't have to do anything else in this. I will just use Ctrl C to close this job and choose Y for accepting that yes, we need to terminate this job. And then I will use some commands on it in order to push this to the live server. So first I need to add a origin on it. let's just copy this, and I need to paste it inside this thing. So what it will do is it will add a origin of our project, so GitHub will be mapped to this. So whenever we fire any command related to Git, it will automatically know that it's for this URL. So let's just fire this first, and then second thing what we need to do is this. So these both the commands are copied from this URL, so this URL, so it's work as it is, and I will just click enter on it. And as you can see, it's saying that it's uploaded now, and when I go to the URL and click enter, it will start showing me all the files which we will be needing it. So that's how you map your Angular app to the existing repository. So in next video I will be trying to do it by creating a pipeline in the Azure DevOps, and try to do CI and CD on the Angular project. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.